What if I told you that you can create this YouTube intro in less than 50 seconds inside Adobe Premiere Pro using headlines, captions, overlays, and so on? First, let's clear out our timeline, leaving only the clips we need for this video. Let's start by going to Headlines and select the headline you like. I will choose this stylish opener. We can customize this item however we want, but I'm just going to change this sub-headline. Perfect. Now, let's add some camera animation. We can do that by going to the camera library and finding, for example, a zoom animation. But first, we need to select two clips. The zoom animation will be applied here to add more dynamics to our scene. We can also add popping captions. Head over to Text and choose Captions. I'll choose this gray one. We can duplicate this item, and it will work like a new one. So, you don't have to import it after each use to change the text. Just modify the text source. Now, for our B-roll shots, we can add a cinematic border over our footage with a shiny light leak to create that movie look. I'm going to import the CinemaScope border. Now we can move on to lights and look for a light leak. Yeah, this one looks great. I will offset those two overlays and we're done. Let's see what we've created. You can combine and create even more advanced scenes with over 1,300 items that work flawlessly inside Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. Everything is sorted into logical libraries and collections. We even have a collection for meme effects. Go ahead and try it yourself.